All right, Heather, let's take a look at this problem that you sent me this weekend. Apologize for not getting to you sooner. I was out of town. But let's start by putting the equation in slope-intercept form. That means we want something that looks like this, y equals mx plus b. So we're going to get the y by itself on one side. So I'm going to start by moving this 5x over. That'll get rid of this piece. These terms you can't combine because they're not like. We'll divide here to get the y by itself. I'll do it on each term. When we're dividing out like that, you need to watch our signs. Here, the negative 5 divided by negative 3, and negative divided by negative is going to be a positive 5/3. And then 15 divided by negative 3 is negative 5. That's everything we need to answer the first three questions in this. This is our slope-intercept form equation. And so this is the first answer. Second question asks us for the slope. M is our slope. Our m in this equation, it's our x coefficient, is 5/3. The next question asks us for the y-intercept as a point. And then it tells us to enter it as an ordered pair. It means we need to set it up with parentheses and an x and a y. And for our y-intercept, our x value will always, always, always be 0. And then our y value is going to be the b value from the end of the equation right there. The b value is -5 for this particular equation. Okay, so that's the first three questions. All that's left is to graph it. So to graph this thing, we're going to use that slope in our y-intercept. It's exactly what we want to have to graph this thing. The y-intercept value is this -5 here on the end. That's always a point where we cross our y-axis somewhere. So somewhere along the vertical line. In this case, it's at -5, so we're going to start there. That's going to be our first point on the graph. Okay, our slope is 5/3. Remember, slope is a rise over a run. So from that point, we want to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 1, 2, 3 to get to our second point. Rise 5 and run 3 from your y-intercept. And then once you got those 2 points, in my math lab, it'll just connect it for you automatically if you have your line tool selected. So once you've got your y-intercept form, it's pretty much exactly what you need to graph it. You're going to start at your y-intercept, start at -5, and then use that slope 5/3 to rise. It's a run to move to the next point in your graph. Hopefully that clears it up. Please let me know if you have any other questions.